Today we're looking at this LeetCode medium problem. Two numbers. You are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. That digits are stored in reverse order. Uh, each of their nodes contain a single digit, and the two numbers add the two numbers and return the sum as a linked list. You may assume the two numbers do not contain any leading zero except the number 0 itself. So in this example, basically it's in reverse order, so kind of uh, helps us so we don't have to reverse it. Basically, you add these two and get 7. For this one, there's a carry, so you get 10, and then you carry 1, 8. This example is another one where the lengths of the linked list don't really match. So you add the 9 and 9, you get 18, and further on, if you keep on adding them, you get to the fourth one, and then it's just 9, 9. So you get 0 for this one, and 0 for that one, and 0 for that one, and then the one for this one 0. So these three, you get these three, and you get an additional carry that's taken over. So this one, let's just define the result element. You can do list node and return result. We need another variable to basically iterate over uh, over the linked list. So when we're going to return, which was the return the uh, next one here, because the first element is just a dummy. So since we're adding numbers, we're going to have use a carry as well. Set that to 0, and at the end we'll have to check if carry is greater than 0, and we'll do something with that as well. So like most linked lists, we'll just start off with a while L1 is not null, or L2 is not null. Then we can have int total. We can set it equal to carry. We can add it. We can set to 0. We could just set it to carry. It doesn't really matter. We could say the value from the first one. We need that, and value from the second one. We could just set that to 0 also. So if L1 is not equal to null. So basically, we have to have this additional check here for L1 and L2, simply because the length of the linked list. In this example, they're equal, but then there is a possibility that the length are not going to be equal, so we have to add another check there. So we say val1 is equal to L1 dot val, and what we can also do is move the variable to the move the linked list to the next one, and we could say val2 is equal to L2 dot val, and then L2 is equal to L2 dot next, and then over here basically you can say total plus equal val1 plus val2. We could have done it this way as well. We could just say total, and you could do carry plus, which is totally fine. And then once you get the total, we calculate the next carry. We just divide that by 10, and then we say current. So basically, we have to find out the value. Since we have to return a linked list, so we have this. Let's say this done. Next is equal to new list node, and we'll take the modulus of the total, and then we say current is equal to current done. Next, so that should basically, when we add two values, so in this example, we'll have 5 here, and we'll have 7 here, and then oh sorry, we have 5 and 2 over here. Let's say, so we'll add it, we'll get 7. So the total is going to be 7, carry is going to be 0, modulus is just going to be 7, and this one it's going to be 10, carry is going to be 1, modulus is going to be 0, and so we assign it to next. And in this case, for scenario like this one where there is a carry, basically we need to do we need to just do something like this, and uh, for the add an extra node for the carry and assign the value there. Let's see if there are any issues in this code. I didn't type that properly. Okay, so we're able to clear the initial test, and we're able to submit this.